All right, guys, we got to factor the bottom and then we've got to find the common denominator. So here we go. When I have this, I get an x minus 4, x minus 1. Over here, I got an x minus 4, and then I'm going to get an x plus 1. They both have a minus 4, but this has a minus 1, so I need to get a minus 1 over here, and that also has to go to the top. This has a plus 1, I need to get a plus 1 over here, and that also needs to go to the top. So my top is going to be this x plus 2, x plus 1, minus x times x minus 1. So I don't care how you see this. These two need to get multiplied together. We did this in our polynomials. So I get x squared. 2 times that is 2 plus 1 is a 3x. 2 times 1 is a positive 2, right? That should factor into that. So I get over here minus x squared. A negative times a negative is a positive. That is a positive x. Combining like terms. X squared minus x squared goes away. Don't have to worry about that. 3x plus x is a 4x. And then I have a 2. I could factor out a 2 and then I get, 2x plus 1 if I wanted to. Over the bottom, you have 3 things. X minus a 4, x plus a 1, and x minus a 1, because that's my common denominator. X can't equal a 1, a negative 1, or a 4. Okay, on this next part, factor the bottom. X plus 1, x minus 1. Over here, factor x minus a 2, plus a 2, and then I'm going to have x minus a 1. Both sides have an x minus a 1. This side needs an x plus 2. So I got to take it to the top, the bottom, and the top. This side has an x plus 2 and an x minus 1, but it needs an x plus 1. So I go x plus 1, and then I get an x plus 1. So my top then is this, x times an x plus 2. That's a minus there, so that's a minus 2x times an x plus 1. Just to multiply stuff out, that x times x squared, add 2x, minus 2x squared, minus 2x. Okay, stuff goes away. 1 minus 2 is a negative 1x squared. Those are taken care of. 2x minus 2x, that's all you've got. And then you've got those 3 things on the bottom, which then are x plus 2, x minus 1, x plus 1. Remember your restrictions. X cannot equal a negative 2, positive 1, or a negative 1.